Hello and good day to you. I'm Evangelist Hunt here today to bring you another Wednesday's daily home Bible reading. Today's lesson we're talking about King David and that King David had sinned against God. Do you know that sometimes our sinful acts will hurt other people? Well, David act and his acts hurt Bathsheba, Uriah, and others. Read. Today's lesson is titled A New and Right Spirit and is found in the 51st book of the Psalms, 1 through the 13th verse. Yes, David has sinned against God. He said, against you and you only, Lord, have I sinned. But his act also hurt other people. Yes, our acts can affect other people. The baby that he bore with Bathsheba, that baby died. Uriah, he put him in the heat of the battle, and Uriah was murdered. Yes, Nathan came to David and told him, "What thus said the Lord." David, what were you thinking? Praise be to God. God see all of our sins. You know what? There are consequences to the sins that we all do. He told God to create in me a clean heart and renew the right spirit within me. Cast me not away from thy presence. And he said, then I will teach transgressors thou ways, and sinners shall be converted unto thee. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. Again, a new and right spirit. God bless.